Let's go. Oh my god! Back to back! Back to... Oh my god! Nemo, turn me up! Turn me up, Nemo! I'm on the ground. Alright, I'm gonna start with the Bravo packs, because them shit... Nah, I'm gonna start with the Alpha packs. Alright. First one. Let me rip this hoe open. What are you doing? This guy's getting fucking metaphorical on me. I'm opening him up. I'm getting shit right now. 100 bits for every green I get. 100 bits for every green I get, chat. Oh, purple. What do we think it's gonna be? Come on. What are we getting here? Let's rip it open. I'm feeling MP7 Black Ice. I'm feeling MP7 Black Ice. Oh! Turn me up! Turn me up! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I'm equipping that, baby. That's crazy. For the Brava. Let's go. Oh, another purple. Let's go. Oh my god! Back to back! Back to... Oh my god! Nemo, turn me up! Turn me up, Nemo! I'm on the ground. Nemo, where you at? Let's go. Alright. Next one. These are cracked right now. Zesty. Aw, green. 100 bits, chat. 100 bits for the green. That shit trash. Oh, shit! We got, okay. We got a gold. We got a gold. We got a gold. Let's see what we got. What the hell? Bro, how does this qualify as gold? It literally looks like semen. That's crazy. This gold sucks dick. What do we got? Oh, another purple. Why are my fucking packs fire? What is it gonna be, Zesty Daniel? What is it gonna be?
It's gonna be another black.
Oh my god. Bro, these alpha packs are
I told you.
cracked.
Actually, in my head, I was thinking Av, but I didn't.
Bro, these alpha packs are cracked. Alright, here we go. Blue, 100 bits, chat.
Alright, let's try this.
Blue. Trash. Another blue. Trash. It's going downhill. Back to black ices. Another blue. Fuck. What's going on here? 64920. A green. 100 bits, chat. Every green, 100 bits. Oh my god. Bro, how many? I got the Brava Black Ice, the Cali, and the Cav in like 5 packs. Alright, we got a purple. What it finna be? What it finna be? I want MP7 Black Ice so bad. Just gaming like usual. Let's go, he 64920. I want MP7 Black Ice so bad. I will do anything for it. Ah, fucking whore. How is that? How? Sorry, I had to fix the Nemo cam. How is that a fucking black? I got 45 packs. Ooh. Alright, we got a purple. Oh, no way! No way! No way. No way I got Black Ice again. Green, damn. Trash. Nilt. No way, another green, man. North Star. World Star, baby. What the fuck is that? Oh my god. We're running out of luck. I'm firing it back up. Nemo, turn me up, alright? Let's go. Oh my god, 100 bits for every green, chat, I'm telling you. Dude, I'm ripping through greens right now. Alright, I'm switching it up to the Bravo packs. Got 36 alpha, I got 16 Bravo. Let's rip these open, no duplicates. First one is a purple. Let's freaking go. What are we getting here? MP7 Black Ice. MP7 Black Ice. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Bravo packs got that fire! Super hot fire. I spit that. Alright, let's see what we get here. Damn. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. Another one. DJ Khaled with these racks. Come on, what do we got? Ew. Oh. Okay. Is there only purples in these packs? Bro, I got the same shit for fucking Thorn? What the fuck? Aw, oh, fucking green. Damn, I started talking shit. Okay, I kind of fuck with that, though. Kind of look drippy with that. Another green. Damn, I shouldn't start talking hot. Damn. A trumpet? Yo, that's heat. A trumpet charm? Damn. I fucks with that. Bless you. Oh my god, I'm getting jack shit. Alright, 5 Bravo packs left. Let's open up the one esports pack I have. Low perp. Low perp. Okay, trash ass fucking Jaeger skin. Low key, I like the back of it though. What do you even get from beginner packs, man? That shit any good? Oh shit, purple. Turn me the fuck up. Oh shit. That's heat. The fuck? 4 eyes for real. Damn. I'm getting some heat right now. Oh god. Aw, shit. What the fuck is that? I'll equip it. Oh my god. Back to back in this, John? Oh, I already got that shit, man. 6K renown. Give me that. Alright. That shit trash. Let's go to the next one. The GOAT is here. Day 7 tones, man. You've been missing some great black ices, my friend. I think I've gotten a total of like 5 black ices so far. That shit trash. Okay, a little wristwatch, a little brass direction. How we doing tonight, Day 7 tones? You was playing Fort? Let's go. You cranking 90s in this hoe? Turn me up. Popping minis and shit. Hit the jug, you know what I'm saying? Oh, purple. What do we think it's gonna be? Come on. MP7 Black Ice. MP7 Black Ice. This one is for Zesty Daniel right here. Oh my god. What the hell, boy? Boy, what the hell, boy? That shit dookie. Oh, no more. Oh, she. Okay, little perp. MP7 Black Ice. MP7 Black Ice. Oh my god, man! Oh shit. We got a mustard. Let's go. Alright, I like that, I guess. A little tiger stripe. I like that. I can rock with that. Oh. Yeah, they do need to take charms out of purple. That's a good point, Day 7 Tones. What's it finna be? A little gold? Oh, shit! Damn! Malusi looking fine as hell. What up, girl? Green? Damn. Get out of here. Little purple? Little purple? Oh, I got that shit already. Yes, sir, Day 7 Tones. Uh-oh, Nibble might start jumping around. Come on, give me another perp. Another purple scissor. I think I got a total of like 6 black ices now, which is crazy. That's what you want to hope for right there. There we go. MP7 Black Ice. Bring it home. Bring it home. Come on. MP7 Black Ice. Okay. Now I got fucking all black ice for Legion. Okay. Turn me up. I like it. I like it. You just gotta pray before every purple and gold to Allah. Big W's right there. That's hella Nene babies. Let's go. Kamehameha. That's a skin. And why the fuck does it look like Kamehameha, but it looks like fucking the fall? I don't get it. Trash ass skin. Come on, bruh. Fiending. Trash. Fuck me. Fuck. Iceman. They're in our hearts, you know? Alright, I'm opening up the last of my Bravo packs. Yeah, green time is right. I'm never gonna use that. Let's see. What are we getting? Oh my god, what is that? That shit cray. Damn. Went from broke to rich. Yeah, I kind of fuck with that. I got the Cali Black Ice too. Little purple. I'm gonna pray. I'm gonna pray real quick. Ave Maria. Okay. I love you, man. You're a great guy. I like that a lot. I fought with this CQB too. That's the fucking. It's a nice shotty. That's Lion, yes sir. Hey, last Bravo pack is a gold. Chat, what do we think it is? Let's get the predictions in chat. What do we think it's gonna be? A weapon skin, a fucking picture. What do you think it's gonna be? Put it in chat. Let's go. What is it gonna be, chat? Let's do a prediction. I got y'all. Let's run it up. Start the nay. Oh, actually, not. Fuck all that. I don't really care. Monty Black Ice. All right. No. That's what somebody guessed. Damn uniform. Fucking trash. All right. What's in the beginner packs, man? I'm just gonna rip through these real quick. 1v1 plus. Let's 1v1, Zesty Daniel. You're zesty and I like it. I got a little zest in me as well. These beginner packs are fucking trash. Bro, who put beginner packs in the game? I'm not even gonna open the rest of these shits. Aldo, let me 1v1 you too. Alright, let's do it. You need what? You need mod? I don't know, man. It's a lot of trust and respect. It's a high quality position in the Twitch community, as they say. You know, I got Jeff Bezos and all those guys wanted to be mods, so there's a lot of competition. Jeff Bezos owns Amazon. Damn, no way my last alpha pack was a green. That's trash.